I'm talking today is Advanced Pre-Algebra, Unit 2, Lesson 7, solving equations with combining like terms and distributed. The homework that goes with that is page 13 and 14. We have a quiz tomorrow, which is Wednesday, 10-12. Don't forget about the time. First thing we're going to do is a warm-up, review some of these integer problems. This should all be mental math. 4 plus negative 6. Actually, if I were you, I would pause, do these problems, and then check them. So, 4 plus negative 6, you get negative 2. Negative 4 plus 6 is positive 2. 6 plus 4, or 4 plus 6 is 10. And negative 6 plus negative 4 is negative 10. That's a review of integers. Adding, when you add and they're the same, you add and keep the sign. Different, subtract, and take the sign on the order. This is a review of subtracting. Pause. Do these. All right, to subtract, you think add the opposite. So this will be 8. Add the opposite. This will be negative. Add the opposite, it'll be 2. Add the opposite, negative 2. All right, again, pause. This is negative 12. This is negative 12. This is positive 12. And this is positive 12. Now, review, multiply. If the signs are the same, it's positive. If they are different, it's negative when you're talking about two numbers. All right, now, you are on page 13 in your notes. We are solving more complicated equations. Let's review. I don't know. We'll just solve. Draw your line down the middle. When you are solving equations, this is the first time where we've had multiple things going on one side. Before you do anything to both sides, you want to simplify both sides, so you combine like terms. 3m plus 4m is 7m. Bring down the plus 9 equals 2. Now we are at your classic two-step equation. To solve this, you subtract 9 from both sides. So I'll have 7m equals negative 7. Divide both sides by 7. M is negative 1. So you need to simplify both sides of the equation before you do anything to both sides before you start solving. So this one, 3a minus 6a is negative 3a. Bring down the plus 12 equals negative 9. You can see where things start to get complicated here if you're not paying attention to the signs. Subtract 12 from both sides, and you have negative 3a equals negative 21. Divide both sides by negative 3, and a is 7. Remember, you are always doing the opposite of what is with the variable to get it alone. Here's a distributive problem. Let's distribute first. 5 times quantity a plus 4. A minus 4. 5 times a is 5a. Positive 5 times negative 4 is negative 20, so minus 20 equals 30. Now I'm at my classic two-step. Add 20 to both sides, and you have 5a equals 50. Divide both sides by 5. A is 10. Okay, here's one more. I need to combine like terms. 3s minus 6s, or s, is negative 3s. Bring down the minus 5 equals 4. Now I'm solving. So I add 5 to both sides. So I have negative 3s equals 9. Divide both sides by negative 3. S is negative 3. Let's do example 6. Combine like terms on this left side. 5x plus 3x is 8x. Positive 3 plus 4 is positive 7 equals 23. Now I'm at your classic two-step. Subtract 7 from both sides. 8x equals 16. Divide both sides by 8.